don't know what you're talking about.
Shoot meteors to collect coins. Low fuel. Low ammos. Refuel with no green orbs. Launching tender. Tank 1. Tank 2. No ammos.
Remember to be always the first one.
Refuel with the green orbs. Shoot meteors to collect coins.
Remember to stay always on top.
Shoot the spaceships to reveal the planets.
Remember to stay always on top.
Shoot the spaceships to reveal the planets. Not now.
I don't know what you're
Shoot meteors to collect coins. Docking. Ship ready. Undock meteors to collect coins. 1 up. Shoot meteors
Remember
to collect
be always
coins.
the first one.
Jesus said the greatest commandment is to love God with all your heart, soul, and mind. Choose a planet. Test stage. How many disciples did Jesus choose? Wrong. On what day did Jesus rise from the dead? Correct. Who denied Jesus 3 times before the rooster
Remember to be
crows?
always
Wrong.
the first one.
Which prayer did Jesus teach his disciples? Correct. What was Jesus' first miracle according to the Gospel of John? Correct. In which town was Jesus born? Shoot meteors to collect coins.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Wrong. What did Jesus use to feed the crowd of over 5,000 pieces of silver? Correct. What is the greatest commandment according to Jesus? Shoot meteors to collect coins.
Remember to stay always on top.
Wrong. What is the greatest commandment before Jesus rise from the dead? Who denied Jesus' first miracle according to the Gospel of John? Shoot the spaceships to reveal the planets. Who baptized Jesus?
Remember to stay always on top.
Which prayer did Jesus teach his disciples? Refuel with the green orbs.
Remember to stay always on top.
Shoot meteors to collect coins. Low fuel.
Remember to
Low ammo spaceships to reveal the planets. Fly into a planet to choose your game. Who betrayed Jesus and
Remember
30
to stay
pieces of
always
silver?
on top.
Too bad. Shoot the spaceships to reveal the planets. What did Jesus
I
use
don't
to
know what
feed the
you're
crowd of over 5,000 people? How many disciples did Jesus choose? Fly into a planet to choose your game. Correct. Bonus complete. You made it. Choose a planet.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Fly into a planet to choose your game. What the? Shoot the spaceships to reveal the planets.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Low fuel. Shoot the spaceships to reveal the planets. Low fuel. Mars. Let's go.
Danger. Danger.
You got 2 lives left.
Danger. Danger.
You got 1 life left.
Danger. Danger.
New ball. Weapon. You got 0 lives extra. Shoot. Weapon.
Danger.
Weapon.
Danger.
Choose a planet.
Remember to be always the first one.
Astronaut rescued. Shoot meteors to collect coins. Docking. Ship ready. Undocking. Low ammo with the green orbs.
I don't know what you're
No ammos. One up. One up. One up.
Remember to be always the first one.
Refuel with the green orbs. Docking. Ship ready. Undocking. Docking. Undocking.
Remember to stay always on top.
Refuel with the green orbs. Low ammos. Low ammos. No ammos. No ammos. Low fuel. Docking. Ship ready.
Remember
Undock
to stay
spaceships
always
to reveal the planets. Undocking. Low fuel. No fuel. Tank 2. Launching tender. Tank 3. Mars. Let's go.
Danger. 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 Danger.
You got 2 lives left.
Danger. Danger.
Weapon.
Danger.
You got 1 life left. Let's go.
Danger.
New ball. Got 0 lives left. Weapon.
Danger.
New ball. Choose a planet. So sad.
Remember to stay.
Shoot meteors to collect coins. Low fuel. Not now. Refuel with the green orbs. Game over.